Firstly, go to Financial Accounting and go to Controls. Here option is Voucher Configuration. First option is Modify. We can modify the configuration of any voucher by double clicking on it or by selecting the row and then pressing on Modify button. On selecting any of these two options, a dialog will appear. Print format. In this field, we can select the print format for that voucher or book. Here all the available printing formats are there in the list. Prints font size. In this field, we can set the font size of data in the voucher. If we increase it from 0, then text font will increase, and 1 decrease it from 0, it will decrease. This field will work as the space will provided in the print, but maximum to maximum we can set 5 and minimum to -5. Notes. This is the HTML language field. These are those lines which are shown at the bottom of the invoice. Manually use term and conditions. We can set them manually as desired. Start series. This is starting number of the voucher or invoice that we want to generate after the completion of every cycle. End date. In this field, we set the end limit for that voucher or invoice in that cycle. Now start form. The immigration number from which we want to start the series will be set there. Like sometimes we are using application in the mid of the working year and we want to see the first number manually from where the sites begin. Restart. Restart is the billing cycle of the voucher of invoice. If we want to change our series daily, weekly, monthly or yearly, then we can set it over here, that particular voucher or invoice. Text display. In this hell, the different options of viewing of text, the voucher or invoice are present. Here we can set them required in the printing format. Footer date. If we want to see date and time in the print of the voucher, then we can select any of option from this list as desired. Ledger list. If we want to see any particular ledger group list for the sale book in voucher, then we can select it over here. Invoice item print. The things that we want to see in the voucher along with the item name can be selected over here from the list. Item group. If we want to see any particular item group list for the sale book in sale voucher, then we can select it over here. Ledger address. In this field, we can select the format of the address of the ledger that we want to display in the print formats. An Axior. These are basically the packing slip formats. We can set them as required. SMS option. This facility will work the message packs are there for that domain. If we want to send SMS for that sale book, then select it as desired option for sending the message automatically. Text form. If there are form attached the book, then we can set the name of our here like C form of H form, etc. Copies. Here we can set the number of copies that we want to print automatically. Header. Here we can set the header for the print format like original, duplicate, etc. again as per required. For stamp. Here we can set the destination of the authorized signatory. Print remark. If we want to print remark of the item, then click it. Company logo. If we want to show the logo of company instead of the address, then tick it. Ledger description. On ticket description of the ledger will also show along with its name. Item description. On ticking it, description of the item will also show along with its name. Print AC balance. On ticking it, present ledger balance of that account will show at the last of the notes field automatically. Print A sign. On ticking it, company name will show as the authorized signatory field. Unit total. On ticking it, unit total will show the vouchers, but this facility is only available in few formats that support it. Detail as invoice. This field is the setting of the entries to be printed is an Axior print. If we tick it will consolidate the entries according the item name, type, style, combination in Axior print. Name as heading. If we want to print the name of the book instead of the voucher heading as per selected in the creation of sale book, then tick it. Page number. On ticking it, page number will show at the bottom of the invoice print. Print separators. On ticking it, liner will show after every entry in invoice print. Print packs. In some printing formats there is space for packs. To get it in label, print then tick it, otherwise untick it. Print destination address. If we want to print destination point of the invoice where it was marked up, then tick it. Logo border. It is the outer border of the logo. If user do not want to see, then make it unticked. Include adjustment. If you want to print the adjustment in the print formats, then tick it. Submit. After setting the required fields and ticking the necessary options, submit the configuration, otherwise cancel it.